Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another interesting video of V.I Tech Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about an amazing AI tool that will help you to create any karaoke for your any song. You just need to upload the song and remove the vocal and boom, your karaoke is ready. It sounds not only great, it sounds awesome, right? So share this video and like this video, and don't forget to let me know your thoughts about this tool into the comment section. And without any delay, let's get started. So to use this tool, open your any browser. Here I am using Brave browser.
New tab.
After opening the browser, head over to the address bar and type the address I'm typing here. The website can be found on our official WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join us on WhatsApp and follow us on WhatsApp and Telegram also. So the site name I'm typing here.
English. O and select L and R O V E R R select org. Button space. Navigation button, vocal remover and isolation.
So this is the site which I have opened, and here I just need to upload my audio file, and then the AI tool will do all the other tasks. So to upload the audio file, press B.
Navigation landmark button. Main landmark browse my files button.
So press enter here.
Open
and find your files from your directory.
A megalodinecla bars selected. No a megalodinecla bars. Name 5 files open button.
Click on open.
Button no indent browse my files. Vocal remover and isolation AI Brave.
Now it is opened.
Graphic LR. Heading level 3 please keep this page open.
Okay.
Heading level 3 artificial intelligence algorithm now works. It may take a minute.
Okay, now it is working, which means this song is now loading to this AI tool. I hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to share this video and hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, choose all notifications, because we are regularly uploading videos for you guys. If you want to build your own app using ChatGPT, don't forget to watch our special video about ChatGPT. If you want to learn audio editing with Goldwave, don't forget to check out our exclusive video on Goldwave.
Heading level 1 audio processing dot.
So still audio is now processing. In the meantime, I'm just going to tell you some of our exclusive videos. We have exclusive Windows Movie Maker tutorial where you can learn how to do video editing without helping any sighted assistant. We have created an AI tool. We have shown an AI tool that will help you to create any animated videos. And we have a dedicated playlist where we'll show how to use accessible AI tools and enhance your daily life. By the way, you are also offering online courses where you can learn many things such as WordPress, web development, Python, basic to advanced computer, and so on. Also, you will earn certificates. Don't forget to visit our official website. Link is given in the video description below, as well as the about section of our channel. I hope now the audio is loaded. Let's see what's there.
Navigation main landmark button. No and clickable space.
See.
No indent vocal.
Vocal.
Clickable space.
Space.
No indent a megalodinecla barsania.
So this is the song name.
Clickable 339.1.
So if you want to play the song, you can play here, but due to copyright issues and copyright system of YouTube, I'll not play this song. I'll just show you how you can remove the vocal. Even if you want, you can keep the vocal only and download the music file. Even if you want, you can download all of the musics different and remix your tracks. So if you want to know more details about this tool, let me know in the comment section. I'm pressing down arrow.
A major BPM button
Down
format,
arrow.
cold button save button space button, button space.
Okay, so these are the buttons available.
A click A clickable no button space navigation link no indent support.
Okay.
Link but main link, no indent music clickable space.
Music clickable space and
no indent vocal clickable space.
So you need to
no indent clickable space.
make this vocal 0. So how to make this 0?
Main landmark section.
Just open your just activate your forms mode of NVDA and press up arrow down arrow.
Vocal clickable 55.
Now see, if you up and down, see
vocal clickable 55
and below 55. So I just increase the vocal about 55. So which means vocal percentage is 55 and the background music percentage is 100. So how can I check? I just press up arrow.
Vocal clickable space no indent music.
Now music
clickable space.
See here it is not showing. So I just need to zero the vocal. To zero the vocal, see by default the vocal will be 0. So you don't need to do anything. I just show you how you can do this if you want.
No indent vocal clickable 55.
So just press enter here, or you can just activate this thing, this forms mode, and press down arrow. And remember, before it was telling, but right now it is not announcing anything. Just go to your browse mode and see up arrow
vocal clickable space.
So one it says clickable space, which means it is 0.
No clickable space
and
no indent music.
So if you want to change the music or if you want to check the music,
clickable space,
press enter here.
100.
Now it says it's 100, right? So now music is 100 and vocal is 0. Almost everything is ready. Just press B.
Format MB
B.
Save button.
Click on save button. So when you get this save button,
save,
just press enter and your files will be downloaded and you can use that karaoke easily for your song. Please note, sometimes this tool will not work properly as it is a free tool. If you want, you can donate them in Patreon. Okay, so this is how you can easily create karaoke for any song. That's it for now, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned. Bye bye.